Amazon provides a comprehensive package tracking system that keeps you informed throughout your entire delivery journey. This robust system integrates with multiple carriers to give you real-time updates on your orders. To begin tracking your packages, you need to access the Your Orders section in your Amazon account dashboard. This is your central hub for all order information and tracking details. Once you click on Track Package, you'll see a detailed tracking interface showing your package's current status and delivery progress. The system displays clear status updates from order received through final delivery. Amazon integrates tracking information from major carriers including UPS, FedEx, and USPS. This creates a unified tracking dashboard where you can monitor packages regardless of which carrier is handling the delivery. For orders with multiple items, Amazon provides detailed tracking at both the package level and individual item level. You can see which items are in which packages and track each package separately. Amazon's tracking system demonstrates remarkable reliability. During Prime Day 2024, Amazon successfully tracked over 375 million packages with an impressive 99.1% accuracy rate, showcasing the dependability of their tracking infrastructure. Amazon's mobile app has revolutionized package tracking with enhanced features that provide unprecedented visibility into your deliveries. The app shows your delivery vehicle's location in real time when it's within a 10-stop radius of your address. You can see exactly where your package is and track its progress on an interactive map. Amazon has integrated advanced artificial intelligence to provide incredibly accurate delivery predictions, often narrowing delivery windows to just 1 to 2 hours. Machine learning algorithms analyze traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery route data to provide precise delivery estimates that are far more accurate than traditional methods. Photo confirmation provides automatic delivery photos with GPS coordinates and timestamps, giving you visual proof of exactly where your package was placed. Each delivery photo includes precise GPS coordinates showing the exact location and a timestamp proving when the delivery occurred, providing complete verification of your package placement. Amazon has integrated Alexa voice notifications, allowing your Echo devices to proactively announce delivery updates without you having to check your phone. You can customize these voice notifications in your Amazon app settings, choosing exactly which delivery stages trigger Alexa announcements throughout your home. Amazon allows you to modify delivery preferences up to the day of delivery, giving you complete control over how and when your packages arrive. You can change delivery locations, specify time windows, add security requirements, and include special instructions all through the mobile app, even on the day your package is out for delivery. These advanced tracking features transform Amazon package delivery from a passive waiting experience into an interactive, transparent, and highly customizable service that puts you in complete control.